Hey, I've been making like one sale a week to now I'm making sales in my business outside of digital marketing or outside of digital products, every day. How does that happen? Because the same process that applies outside of digital marketing works inside, and vice versa. Like I said, it's how the planet Earth promotes anything using the internet, social media, digital marketing strategies, and your story. But the best part is you get to automate it. Now, we know AI is out there and it's getting smarter and smarter every second of every day. But what if you can have basic algorithms and machinery promote your business for you? The funny thing about it is